Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we will be learning how to divide numbers using multiplication. In this example, 836 divided by 3,636. Step 1. Convert both numbers using multiplication. To do this, we need to multiply both numbers such that the number at the right side of the division sign becomes easier to work with. 3,636 times 11 and 836 times 11. 836 times 11 is 9,196. 3,636 times 11 is 40,000. Step 2. Divide the converted numbers as shown. 9,196 divided by 40,000 can be further reduced to 2,300 divided by 10,000, since 4 is a common factor between the two numbers. So if you remove the common factor 4, you get 2,300 divided by 10,000. As you can see, 10,000 has 4 zeros, so to get the final answer, just move the decimal point from the end of 2,300 4 places to the left, and you get 0.23. And there you got the final answer. 836 divided by 3,636 is 0.23. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.